Hi guys! It's August 2, we're headed to Region Falls.
Hi!
Big na daw. Punta kami sa Pit Lake ngayon. And see you right in our adventure.
Yeah, we'll do kayaking and hiking. It's like 5 hours in total. It's gonna be fun. Oh, except with Tucker. Tucker's not here. It's gonna be too hot. Right,
You
Tucker?
have to, you have to drive 32 kilometers going there from our house and do kayaking before going to the falls for doing hiking. So it's a different, more adventure.
Yes. Bye.
Bye.
Here we are on the road and we're going to take
So, pinapakita lang namin sa inyo yung gandahan sa lugar na to. And amazing yung Rockies. Wait for our Just Growing band adventure trip. Hi guys, we're approaching Pit Lake. So, decided I'm gonna take a video for you to see what so may mga kasama kami may mga hard goods or hard shell vegetables like that. Line up sa parking sa road. So yung ganda dito.
Hi na.
Hi. We're going.
Your boat. Bye-bye guys.
Hi. So, i-video ko kayo sa Kina right. By the way.
Yung waves ng boat.
Yan, hi guys.
Hi daw.
Hi guys. So, nag-start na kaming mag-boat. Yan, dito kami, papunta kami sa Pit Lake. Nasa Pit Lake pala kami, papunta sa Region Falls. So, we're enjoying the view. Our adventure, August 2, 2020. And enjoy the ride. Kami dito, nandito kami, so rest muna. Gaano dito. Yeah.
Guys. Rowing. So what happened was the paddle fell into the water right there. Now I have to go get it.
it's not that. Okay, next time naman. Hello. Right, maglalas mo lang ako. Ayan, live
FBS?
hindi video ko na papadal tayo pati yung dalawa natin anak dito.
Napadal. To the right na.
Haru.
Hello, hi guys.
Hi! Here's my happy family. Wow, look at the view.
Hindi naman masyado dito.
Nope. Bye guys.
Here now.
Bababa na tayo na.
Finally made it.
Ilang kilometers lang? 5 yata.
We're still enjoying the hike. So, mga 1.5 kilometers na lang remain. Kasi nabasa ng ingat. 2.9. By the way, nakasuot ako ng life jacket. Baka natatawa kayo kasi wala nang tubig. Pero dun sa pupuntahan namin lake or waterfalls, wala. May deep side dun eh. Tsaka may kalat yun, diba, waterfalls niya. Kaya to be sure, safety. Naglala ako. Kasi titingin-tingin ko sa gilid. Baka mamaya may bear. Possible may bear dito. So ito ang kagandahan sa BC. Isa sa maganda sa BC kasi ang daming trail. Maintain dito.
Rewind, come again.
Lalaki na. Wala ko pa ito. Kaya sana dito si Mama Bear. Papa Bear.
Drop the beat.
Hi guys, so this is Ina hiking. Yes, Papa, I can hear you. Okay. Hi guys, this is Ina hiking. My brother, my mom, and my dad are up over there at the hill because they're just resting. I'm here at the falls, and it looks pretty good. I'll show you guys in a second. Peace.
Drop the beat.
Hi guys! So I arrived here at the falls and it's pretty cool. I would say though that the hike is very tiring, so make sure to bring snacks and a lot of water. It's a really relaxing spot, but I don't think I can swim, so yeah.
Rewind, come again.
With other rocks.
Via Road. Let me see. Via Road.
Drop the beat.
Guys,
Guys, we're coming back now.
nakarating kami sa video po. Ay, sige na, nauna sa amin dito.
Hi.
So,
Expedition leader
yeah,
and our
Ano?
sweeper.
sa likod. Nakalagay 2.7 kilometers or 2.7. Dalawang trail ang ginawa namin. So, we went to Region Falls by a trail, 2.9 kilometers. Up and down steep. Nakaya na namin, natapos namin. And then, isa by a road, which is this one. Okay siya. Kung alam lang namin, ito na. Pero sa inyo, mas maganda rin yung susubukan pa rin. So, happy kami sa nagawa namin dalawang route.
Make memories, guys, with the family.
Yeah. Leave footprints. Rephrase.
Leave nothing but footprints.
Take
Take
pictures.
nothing but pictures.
Yung pala. Nanggaling sa isang. Diba yun lang yun?
Feel nothing but
Yun. Yung pala. So, masakit na yung kamay ko. Pero mga MC yung kasama ko eh. Si Isaac MC. Sa si Ina. Ako din. So, thank you for watching. Yung pabalag namin yung pabalik. And, peace, yeah.
Run! Cancun!
Guys, so pauwi na kami. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. We started at 9 o'clock.
Yeah.
We did a lot. We're happy.
Hello.
Guys, we're about to head back. We have some food now.
Sure. Saan tayo uli magana?
Subway.
Subway and ano yung request?
McDonald's.
All time favorite.
Yeah, ang
For
ina.
us, we're headed to a park later. So, as part of our keto diet, ayaw ko ng mababaw.
Yeah. Bye.
Bibigyan.
Drop the beat.
Hi guys, nagpapaglong kami. Si Ina muna. Ina sir, para pakita namin sa iyo. Yan. She's doing it backwards, going kami doon.
Stop na.
Then pakita namin yung dito, dalawa. Ayan. Papadal kami. Ayan, nandito kami sa mangrove.
Idol kami. It's only Isaac paddling.
Naghahanap kami dito ng catfish. Baka meron dito ng catfish. Yan o.
Go toward that way.
Dito naman.
We can push again. On the ground.
Kaya lang may limiting YouTube video eh. So,
Oh, look at the YouTube video.
meron. Okay. Pero kung ma-upload ko.
Ang ina hapaw.
Yan kami ni Mama.
Ay na.
Ganda kasi ng background nyo. Kaya inano ko na yun. Nasa shallow part kami. Tutulak sila.
Okay, I'm scared. I'm scared now. This is the pool.
May natakot po mga kaibigan. Araw may kumuloy. Natakot na rin.
Takot na rin mama.
Maybe it's just like the rocks. It's sand, so it's gonna.
I know, but it was like